I'm Case. I built one of the highest rated meal prep businesses in the country, starting with no money experience or connections. I made every mistake, figured it out. Now I give you the playbook so you can skip the painful parts. Meal prep software, business automation systems, private groups, an AI clone in my brain. You can pick 24/7, one-on-one consulting, free resources, courses, and more. Everything you need is at mealprepis101.com. Links in the show notes. Now let's get into it.
So in this episode, we are going to discuss the importance of events, what events are, all that fun stuff, and most importantly, a new resource that I just got done filming for you guys to make you event rock stars. In fact, that's the name of the series, the Event Rockstar Series. What's going on, eaters and feeders? My name is Casey, and on my channel, I discuss business tips and tricks, startup hacks, entrepreneur mindset, and so much more based on my experience starting and growing Florida's highest rated meal prep company from nothing. No experience, no connections, no funding, and yet we ended up being the best at what we do where we do it. So if you want to learn more about sales, leadership, marketing, software, production, marketing, mindset, meditation, and everything in between, I invite you to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications so you don't miss out on anything. I produce content weekly, I go live sporadically, and I don't want you missing out on a second of it. You're also going to want to make sure you check out the links in the show notes and mealprepbiz101.com because I've got so much more as far as tips, tools, resources, calculators, information, free stuff, one-on-one consulting, free software that will run your entire business, private groups. There's just too much. Let's just jump into the episode. You'll see some commercials. Check out mealprepbiz101.com and you'll learn a lot more about what I've got to offer. If you don't know already, links in the notes below. Check out the links. All right, so events. Let's just use that as a blanket term. I'll call them events, I'll call them promos, I'll call them demos, I'll call them lunch and learns, whatever they are. These are personal, in-your-face, one-on-one opportunities for you to engage with your prospects. Tell them about what you do, show them what you do, give them a little bit of sample of what you provide, and convert them over to paying customers. They might be gym events, they might be corporate events, they might be wellness fairs and health fairs and charitable events, whatever it is. When you are getting in front of people and you are showcasing your business, you want to be on your A game. You want to make sure that everything is done to maximize the results of your efforts, right? Anything short of that is a waste of time, it's a waste of money, and it's a waste of opportunity. Events are amazing opportunities to thoroughly saturate your local communities. But doing events the wrong way can burn your brand. It can decimate your reputation. So you're going to definitely want to make sure that you do them the right way, right? Now, not to toot my own horn, but toot toot, I have a lot of sales experience. I've done a lot of events. I've done a lot of demos. I've seen it all. I've done it all. I've made the mistakes. And at this point, I can confidently tell you that I have never seen anybody do events better than the way I do them. And I'm not just talking meal prep companies. I'm talking companies in general. When I go to events, I murder. That's why I called this series the Event Rockstar Series, because I come out of these events feeling, looking, tasting, and smelling like a rock star. One or two of those was better in my head. Should have stayed there. Sure, I've seen companies with more elaborate displays and all sorts of gimmicks and pop-up stuff, but I promise you, they do not convert like I convert. Now, I can't promise you that I'm going to get you to my level, but I will show you my playbook and I will go over everything that I've learned through countless iterations over all of these years so that you can get as close as possible to being able to compete on this level. But until that happens, rest assured that everything is going to be poured into the Event Rockstar Series so you are as armed, equipped, and prepared as possible. The truth is, there's no such thing as a silver bullet for sales success. A lot of it is going to come down to your preparation, but most of it will come down to how you perform when you go live, once you step into the ring and you're trading blow for blow. But I have created a system that maximizes your potential, your preparedness, and your ability to capitalize on these opportunities as best possible, to make sure that you're showcasing yourself, your brand, and your product in the best light possible. It's a combination of tips and rules that I've amassed over the years of countless events. Now, this wasn't by mistake. It wasn't by luck. This is by putting intention into making our events and our presence as impressive as possible. This is what happens when the founder of the company attends 99% of the events and takes notes at each and every single one of them. No matter how well we did, I look for ways to improve. and you guys are getting the benefit of that. What's going to scare me is if other companies in our area sign up for this boot camp and start utilizing this stuff against us. But you know what? There's plenty of businesses out there. There's plenty of eaters out there. We're never going to put each other out of business because we're always going to take care of our people. And as long as you take care of your people, none of us are going to have any churn. So what's included in the Event Rockstar Series? We're going to start off with the weapons, and especially some of my secret weapons. We're going to be talking about the materials that we use, the materials that I've selected, why I've selected them, how I use them, and how you can implement them to get the same efficacy as I experience when I do my events. We're going to discuss how to get into events, and especially how to get into the right events. More events mean more opportunities, but you don't want to just be waiting around for an invitation to opportunity. You want to go out there and create opportunity. We're going to be talking about pre-event prep. If you fail to prepare, then you better prepare to fail. So I'm going to teach you how to set yourself up for success and make the most out of these opportunities. Food do's and don'ts. Learn what type of food you want to be bringing, what type of food you want to be avoiding, and all of the type of things that you want to have in your brain. Not even getting you down to a specific menu, but I will teach you how to analyze and think of what foods, maybe some foods that we haven't even brought, but I will give you the rules, the tips, and the hazards that I've learned so that you can implement them when you select what is going to be on the menu at your events. This could be the difference between you serving up smiles or a heaping portion of nightmares. We're also going to be talking about setup. Staging is crucial for setting the pace for the rest of the day. So you need to know how to do it the right way right out the gate, so you can focus on building up momentum instead of solving problems and trying to play catch up. We're also going to be talking about what you're going to be doing and not doing during the event. Okay, it's showtime. So now what? What are you doing? What are you saying? How are you saying it? How are you converting? We're also going to be getting into post-event. What are you going to be doing after the fact? Just when you think it's over, I will convince you that it has just begun. From cleanup to follow-up, I will let you know what our secret tips and strategies are to make sure that we get that invite to the next event. Now, while all this is going to be extremely valuable to you as the business owner, this is going to be invaluable to you when it comes to you trying to hire a promo team, a street team, a sales team, an event team, whatever you want to call it. You will have a training kit. You will be able to put my brain in your brain and then also squeeze that into their brain, so it'll make training a sales team so much easier and more effective because they will get the game so much faster. Also, if I do any refreshers or updates, you're obviously going to be able to get the benefit of all of that added material as it's made. So again, to reiterate and clarify, any discount or promotion that I'm going to do initially, that will only be for a limited period of time. Then the access to the series itself will also be for a slightly longer period of time, but that will also be limited as well. After that, if you click on these links, if you go to the site and you're not finding it, the link doesn't work, don't worry, you'll still be able to gain access to it. But at that point, that means that it is exclusive to the software enrollees and to my private clients. It will still be available to you, but you'll have to fall into one of those two categories. If it's still available, especially if the promotion is still available and you're getting a discount on it, it's a no-brainer. Get on it right now. I don't know how long I'm going to make it available. I have no idea when you're watching this video, but regardless, it's probably a good idea for you to head on over to mealprepbiz101.com. Find one of those links in the show notes below. Maybe it's popping up here on the screen. And I wish you the best of luck. You'll at least be able to benefit from the first video that will probably keep public, I don't know, indefinitely. We'll walk through the kit and give you an idea as to what the secret weapons are. But if I get some feedback from some of the people who go through the series and they're like, man, those are some pretty powerful secret weapons, how about you take that down? I might have to consider taking that down too, because again, I want to make sure that this is valuable to the people who find value in this stuff and are making this a priority. And as I mentioned, I haven't seen anybody else doing it the way I do it, so I think that there's some value and a significant strategic advantage to implementing this information. So hopefully the next time you see me is in the Event Rockstar Series. If not, hopefully you're subscribed, you got those alert notifications on, so you at least don't miss my next episode. And until my next episode, I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.